Hey everyone, the OPPO Reno14 F is a sleek, contemporary smartphone that is reasonably priced and impresses with its elegant design and robust feature set. It is the more affordable sibling of the OPPO Reno14. It looks almost the same and has much of the same visual attractiveness that made the Reno14 series so well-liked, although costing around half as much as the standard version. The design is immediately noticeable once it is in place. Even though the phone's rear cover is constructed of plastic rather than glass like the more expensive models, the body nevertheless feels high-end. It is easy to carry and handle because it is lightweight at 180 grams and slim at 7.7 millimeters. The OPPO Reno14 F is obviously influenced by flagship designs. Its shape and frame finish are strikingly similar to those of the iPhone, and in a good manner. Pearl white and emerald green are its two exquisite color choices. The Reno14 F has an outstanding IP69 protection certification and is completely waterproof despite its reduced price. Because of its resistance to dust, filth, and even water, consumers can feel secure in any situation. This smartphone's display is yet another standout feature. Bright colors and a high refresh rate of 120 Hz are features of the 6.57-inch Full HD AMOLED screen. With its ultra-thin bezels and sturdy Asahi glass covering, the screen provides a nearly borderless viewing experience. Excellent viewing angles, rich contrast, and vibrant colors are all made possible by AMOLED technology. The Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 CPU powers the Reno14 F. This effective mid-range processor is capable of 5G communication. The phone has a built-in gaming mode to maximize gameplay, and benchmark performance is respectable for the price category. While RAM is somewhat decreased to 8 gigs, storage is still enough at 256 gigs, matching the higher-end model. Another advantage is battery life. The Reno14 F can comfortably last through a full day of active use because of its 6,000 mAh battery and 45-watt fast charging. There are no abrupt dips in battery percentage, and power management is seamless. In contrast to the Reno14, OPPO's camera configuration was a little more straightforward. The telephoto lens has been taken out, leaving behind a 32-megapixel selfie camera and an 8-megapixel wide-angle camera. The primary camera is still a 50-megapixel sensor, 1080p at 60 frames per second, and 4K at 30 frames per second are supported for video recording. The results are outstanding for a mid-range device, even though they don't quite match the high-end Reno14. To put it briefly, the Reno14 F is a well-made, fashionable smartphone that lowers the price of high-end functions and appearances. Users who like appearance and dependability but do not want the utmost in specifications will find it excellent. Good smartphones don't always have to be expensive, as demonstrated by OPPO's ability to produce a gadget that feels elegant, seamless, and pleasurable to use. Thanks for watching. I hope you found the video interesting. Have a nice day, and God bless you.